Hello and welcome to the funeral program site. We understand that during a time of loss, planning even the smallest details can feel overwhelming. Today we want to explain a simple, affordable option that helps families create a beautiful funeral program without added stress or expense. We're going to clarify what the term funeral program paper actually means because it's often misunderstood. Many people assume this phrase refers to a specific type of paper stock used to print a funeral program, but that's not quite accurate. So what is funeral program paper, and why do so many families choose it? Funeral program paper is a pre-printed, ready-made funeral program printed on standard letter-size paper with a professionally designed full-color front cover already printed. It is a blank, pre-printed paper where only the front cover is already completed with a full-color design and imagery, such as a peaceful outdoor scene, a floral background, or a spiritual image. Funeral program paper comes in a variety of pre-printed front covers with appropriate printed text specifically created for a funeral program. Because the front cover is pre-printed, the photo, if you choose to include one, typically goes on the inside of the program alongside the obituary. This keeps the front clean, elegant, and easy to prepare. Here's how it works. All you need to do is run the paper through your own black and white or color printer to print the inside pages and the back. You can add the obituary, order of service, poems, acknowledgments, and personal details without using large amounts of toner or paying for professional printing. Funeral program paper is a quick, cost-effective solution for families who want something that looks professional without spending money on commercial printers or expensive ink. The funeral program site is the only source offering this specialized funeral program paper option, designed specifically for memorial services, tested for home printers, and made to fold cleanly into polished, professional-looking keepsakes. We hope this helps you feel confident in choosing the right option. Funeral program paper saves time, reduces cost, and removes the stress of design while still honoring a life with dignity and care. When you're ready, the funeral program site is here to help you create a meaningful program families will cherish. Thanks for being with us. Be sure to tune in next time for another helpful funeral-related video, only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.